Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited about this. So hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi if you're new. I'd love if you guys hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. That way you can get notified each time I upload my newest video. But this video is so special because I have been working on this for so long and I'm finally like ready to share it with you guys. And I recently kind of gave you guys a sneak peek in one of my vlogs about this painting I was working on. And this painting literally took forever, so that is why this video has taken so long, and I apologize for that because I did tease you guys along with it. But I have this painting in my room and I've been getting so many questions on it since I started my YouTube channel, and it is this Vineyard Vines patchwork inspired painting with my name in it. And the frame is just from Target, and I've been getting so many questions about it. Everyone's like, where did you get it? And I made it. And I was like bored one day and I started painting again, and I was like, oh my gosh, I love painting, it's so much fun. So I painted another one. And I was like thinking when I was painting them, oh, I'll put them on my Etsy, which is listed down below if you guys are gonna jump ahead of this video and just go check it out. But I painted it and I was like, I'm just gonna paint these and sell them on Etsy. It's gonna be so much fun. That way you guys can have them if you want one. And then as I'm painting it, it literally took like over 2 days to paint this thing. And it was just for one painting, and I was like, I cannot do this. I literally cannot sit here and paint all day because I have other things I have to be doing. So then I had my light bulb moment and I was like, I'll just sell prints of my work. So I went to Kinko's, made copies and everything, and I went to Target and picked up a frame. So I have it in a little bit of a miniature version. This is 11 by 14 inch print, and it's the same exact painting. It's like a duplicate of what I made. So all the details are still there and everything, and I'm so excited because this is going to be on my Etsy. My Etsy is listed down below if you guys want to go check it out. And what's so cool about it is each order is going to be customized. So when you order this, your name will be included in the order on Etsy. It's all like through Etsy and everything. And I will hand write or hand paint your name into here and then put it into the frame. So it's customized. It's going to have your name on it if you do order one. So it'll be a lot like mine. And I just think these are so fun. And I'm so excited to finally be sharing this with you guys. So it's on my Etsy now. This is just like a little quick video to let you guys know. And I'm just so excited and so happy to share this with you guys. It seriously would mean the world to me if you go check it out. Even if you don't buy it, just check it out. Check out my shop because I do have stickers over on my Etsy as well. And if you do order, the frame is included. I bought this at Target and I just feel like it really completes the product. These are great for gallery walls. I just think it's so fun. It's a Vineyard Vines inspired painting and it's customized with your name in it. I just think it's so cute. So if you do buy one, I'll be sure to include a note and a sticker like I do with all my other Etsy products. It would just seriously mean so much to me if you check it out. All the info is on my Etsy, which is listed down below. Just check it out. If you do buy one, leave a good review if you like it when you get it. I'm just so excited, so I hope you check it out. I just wanted to make a little video about this if you don't follow me on Instagram and didn't know I did this, so yeah. If you have any other things you think I should create for my Etsy, let me know. I love reading your comments. You guys seriously mean the world to me. And I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys!